Crowd Cow's A5 Wagyu Tenderloin from Kagoshima, Japan is arguably the most precious cut of meat in the world. It tastes great and it feels great. While it may seem intimidating, cooking it is really quite simple. First, set your tenderloin cuts out and bring them to room temperature. After patting the steaks dry, you can choose to sprinkle on a small amount of sea salt or wait until after they're cooked. We recommend not cooking over an open flame. Instead, heat an 8 or 10-inch stainless steel pan to a good medium-high heat. Because of its rich and flavorful marbled fat, A5 Wagyu doesn't need any oil in the pan before cooking. Once the pan is heated, simply sear each side of the A5 Wagyu tenderloin for around 90 seconds. The goal is to sear the outside while warming the meat just enough to melt the interior fats. Also make sure to sear the edges. Finally, let your A5 Wagyu tenderloin steaks rest for a few minutes and then slice in. Consider tasting each slice with a bit of salt, wasabi, or soy sauce as a unique way to enjoy with friends. Relish this effortlessly healthy meat and enjoy. Cheers, your friends at Crowd Cow.